What's up, guys? Welcome back to Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Definitely check us out, maplemotors.com. We got all the classic cars up here. You can get financed. We can ship them straight to your house. Just check that website out. Today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 1968 Ford Mustang with a believed to be 302 under the hood. Very good running car. Just got back from a test drive. We took it down the road, pointed out any kind of flaws running and driving, and this is the video that's going to take the flaws on the outside, the trunk, the interior, under the hood, and give you some undercarriage shots. The reason we do that is because we sell a lot of cars out of state, and I want you to know everything about it. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. We're getting ready to get started here. Looking around the car, it looks pretty decent. I like the paint job. I guess it'd be like a teal green. Front bumper's in great condition here. The grille looks good, pretty nice. Car's definitely been repainted. Not the original paint job. A set of American racing wheels with fairly new tires on it. Looks like drum brakes all the way around on this one. Car does have nice smooth power steering. A lot of the trim's in good condition. Mirrors showing signs of pitting. I'm sure it's old. A little hazy there. Some of the weather stripping's missing around the vent window. I will be shutting the hood by the end of the video. Roof's in great shape. Not seeing any dents, scratches, or any rust. Bottoms of the doors look solid. Looking pretty good here. And the door handles have been replaced. Back tires are pretty much brand new. The rims look like they're fairly new as well. They're clean on the inside and out. There's a few scratches on the trunk here. I don't know if you can see those. I'm gonna try to zoom in. You see it right there? It's almost like they set a box on here and scooted it. So that looks like, to me, it's right on top of the paint. Should be able to give it a good buff job and get that stuff out. They definitely replaced the rear bumper. That thing's new, nice and clean. This is just a magnet tag. Tail lights are nice and clean as well. They look like they've been replaced. All the panels are looking nice and solid around this car. Bottoms of the doors on both sides. Not really seeing many flaws on this one. Motor's clean under the hood here. Fairly stock motor. Go ahead and check the interior out. Some of this weather stripping's looking kind of old. Nice and hard. It's gonna need to be replaced. The door panel's in great shape. Doesn't look wore out at all. Weather stripping around the doors. It's pretty hard. I mean, I think it needs to be replaced. Back seat's in great shape. Headliner is hanging a little bit. It's not perfect. It's gonna need to be fixed to be straightened up. to actually be right. Looking around at the rest of the interior, it looks pretty stock. Seat doesn't have any holes in it. The carpet looks good. Let's go ahead and open the trunk before we get started on the car here, so I don't have to cut it off. I haven't previously opened the trunk. I just go ahead and do my videos with y'all, let the detail guy take care of everything else. A couple days ago he cleaned this and I just wiped it off today. Trunk looks very solid. Say that trunk's in pretty good condition there. It does need weather stripping. The whole car needs weather stripping replaced. See how easily it shuts here. Shut pretty easy to me. All right, now let's jump in the car. We'll go ahead and start it up, start trying some stuff out. If you haven't already seen the test drive, what we like to do up here at Maple Motor is do a little bet, side bet for these videos. Does the horn work? We're gonna do that every video from now on. Seems to be a hot topic up here. On the test drive, all the gauges work. Go ahead and try some other stuff out. Y'all ready? Horn works on this one. Radio wise, I hear it cutting on and I hear some fuzz coming from the speaker, but there's no actual music playing. Speedometer shows 99,000. You know, I can't stand behind that because people can change out the dashes or the motors. Blower motor does cut on and only provides heat because there's no AC on this one. Windshield wipers, nice and fast. Like I said, all of our gauges work, even the gas gauge. Exhaust is pretty quiet. Motor is nice and quiet. Noticed on the test drive, it was a very smooth running car. The hood comes down nice and easy. And it lines up well. There's a little chip in the middle of the hood here. No, that's not a chip. That was some dirt. Came off too. I don't see any flaws in the hood. What I'm gonna do now is some undercarriage shots. I'll give you a shot up underneath, the driver's side, the rear, and the passenger. If you want detailed photos, join me at weMainbsite.com. Now we're going to the driver's side here. Head on over to the rear. it to the passenger side. Hopefully I went over the whole car good enough for you to come on up here and check it out. Definitely check out the test drive video if you haven't. With these two videos, you'll know everything about the car, how it runs, drives, looks in person. Try to go over everything, guys. You can also check us out, weMainbsite.com. Financing information, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are all available on that website. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for daily videos, daily content, and new cars that come in all the time. We get about, say about 40 cars a month at this moment. So I do appreciate y'all watching, and thanks again, guys.